It's hard to argue, but figuring out this question is like making a sandwich. There are a lot of layers, and sometimes all you need to do is just take a bite to understand it. But I feel what's easy to understand is that tackling this particular assessment test question sharpens your mind and fuels your love for challenges. You're presented with 4 expressions, and you need to sort the results of these expressions in descending order. The first expression is 1/5 plus 3/4. Second expression is square root of 1 minus 1/10. Third expression is 1.2 minus 1/4. And the fourth expression is 0.9 multiplied by 1.1. Take a close look at these expressions, do the math, and then select your answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A represents descending order as 1, 2, 3, and 4. Choice B represents as 4, 3, 2, 1. Choice C, 2, 3, 4, 1. And last but not least, choice D, 4, 3, 1, 2. Feel like you stumbled upon a tough one? Well, it's easy to understand that. But you're not alone in this journey. Whether you're a problem-solving veteran or a newcomer, I believe in your capabilities. Take a moment to reflect, tap into your creativity, and let's tackle this challenge together. Your answer is just waiting to be discovered. Are you ready with your solution? I hope you are, so let's move forward and compare our versions for the answer. The easiest way to solve this challenge is to complete the calculations and convert the results into the decimal system. In the first expression, to add these fractions, you need a common denominator, which is 20. So 1/5 becomes 4/20 and 3/4 becomes 15/20. 4/20 plus 15/20 equals 19/20 and equals 0.95. In the second expression, square root of 1 is 1. 1 minus 1/10 equals 9/10 and equals 0.9. A third expression can be calculated as 1.2 minus 0.25, and the end result of this would be 0.95. The result of multiplication in the fourth expression equals 0.99. Now it's time to do the sorting. Our highest value is 0.99, which is the fourth expression. Then we have 2 expressions with the same value. The result of expression 3, 0.95, equals the result of the expression 1, which is 19/20. And our smallest value on the list is the result of the expression 2, which is 0.9. What's especially interesting here is that even though results of expressions 3 and 1 are the same, the correct answer choice is only one, which is choice D, 4, 3, 1, 2. The truth is that understanding this question is like interpreting modern art. Everyone sees something different, and you're left wondering if even the artist knows what it means. Here, you're presented with the 3x3 matrix. Matrix has numbers inside. Starting from the left column, the numbers are 49, 64, and 81. In the middle column, the numbers are 16, 36, and 64. And in the right column, the numbers are 81, 16, and then comes the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 0. Choice B, 1. Choice C, 4. And last but not least, choice D, 9. Feeling a bit perplexed? It's all good. Whether you're a regular art master or dropping by on this channel occasionally to become smarter and learn some cool ideas, I am confident in your abilities. You're on the right track. Just give yourself enough time to solve this challenge. Are you ready with your solution? Let's go on the journey together as we navigate through complexities. Your solution is invaluable, so don't forget to drop it in comments. Ideas in your solution could be the missing piece we're looking for, plus it can help us all learn. To solve this challenge, we need to understand the pattern. And the pattern here is that calculations are organized by rows. Digits in the left column are used to calculate the values in the middle column and in the right column. Let's look at the specific examples. As I already mentioned, the number in the upper left corner is 49. We use 2 digits from the 49, 4 and 9, and we use them separately. Then we square them. 4 squared equals 16, which is the value in the middle column. And then the 9 squared equals 81, which is the number in the right column. Same way we do calculations in the middle row. 6 squared equals 36 and 4 squared equals 16. Using the values in the bottom row, we can calculate the missing number. 8 squared equals 64 and 1 squared equals 1. So the correct answer here is choice B, 1. I gotta tell you with full certainty that solving this particular problem feels like trying to convince a toddler that nap time is a good idea. A constant struggle with no clear end in sight. Well, the good thing is there is end in sight with this particular question. But let's start with the beginning. You're presented with unusual looking shapes, the combination of circles and triangle. Each shape has 7 numbers. In the first shape, the inside numbers are 5, 2, and 7. The outside numbers are 2, 3, and 4, and then the middle number is 5. In the second shape, the inside numbers are 7, 9, and 8. The outside numbers are 5, 6, and 7, and the middle number is 6. And then in the third shape, the inside numbers are 5, 6, and 8. The inside numbers are 3, 7, and 1, and the middle number is missing, which is something you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 6. Choice B, 7. Choice C, 8. And last but not least, choice D, 9. Don't get discouraged here. We support each other in this channel. Whether you're a current subscriber actively tackling challenging questions or an occasional visitor trying to learn new skills and considering a subscription in the future, I have full faith in your ability to solve this problem. Just make sure to grant yourself enough time and think out of the box. Are you ready? I know that you solved it already on your own, but just in case, I am going to continue this adventure. Let's navigate the complexities together and exchange solutions in the end. If you have a better way to unlock this mystery or have any tips on how to solve these types of challenges, please share them in comments. Here's the tip for you on how to solve these types of problems in the future. Because we have inside numbers and the outside numbers, you need to group them and do the calculations. In this particular case, you need to group the numbers on the inside and outside and apply math formula to individual numbers in the groups and to the groups themselves. Let's look at the examples. For example, the first middle number 5 is calculated as the sum of inside numbers 5, 7, and 2 minus sum of the outside numbers 2, 3, and 4. 5 plus 7 plus 2 minus 2 plus 3 plus 4 equals 5. The calculations for the second shape are very similar. 7 plus 8 plus 9 minus sum of 5 plus 6 plus 7 equals 6. Let's calculate then the missing digit. 5 plus 6 plus 8 minus 3 plus 7 plus 1 equals 8. So the correct answer here is choice C, 8. Well, guess what? Your time to radiate has arrived. I have full confidence that you will shine with your brilliance right now by solving this challenge. You're presented with 3 triangles. Triangles have numbers inside. The first triangle has number 1 in the middle and numbers 2, 9, and 3 on the sides. The second triangle has number 2 in the middle and numbers 3, 7, and 1 on the sides. And then the third triangle has number 4 in the middle, numbers 7 and 5 on the sides, and in the bottom right corner, it has the missing number, which you need to calculate and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 15. Choice B, 17. Choice C, 19. And last but not least, choice D, 21. Crack this challenge on your own and then share your solution in comments. I'm looking forward to discussing your answer and providing some feedback. Thanks for getting involved and good luck on this intriguing challenge. Get ready to flex those brain muscles. This question is making you to think harder than a coffee addict trying to function without their morning brew. Can you sip your way through this mental maze? You're presented with the ball, which falls on the stairs, and with each fall, it changes the number. The numbers starting from the top are 2, 6, 14, 30, and then comes the missing number, which you need to determine and select out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, 56, choice B, 60, choice C, 62, and last but not least, choice D, 64. Being an existing subscriber and going through these types of questions with us regularly, or potentially considering to become a future subscriber, I have full confidence that you can solve this challenge on your own by giving yourself enough time to think about it. Are you ready? I am going to continue this adventure. So get set for a fresh wave of intellectual exploration and your freshly brewed coffee as we delve into the intricacies of this amazing question. As you might be well aware, to get to the answer for this particular question, you need to understand the pattern. And the pattern here is that the next number is calculated as previous number multiplied by 2 with addition of 2 to the result. Let's look at the example. For example, the number on the ball when it's on top of the stairs is 2. As it falls to the next step, the calculations are when you need to multiply 2 by 2 and add 2. So the end result of this is 6. As ball continues falling, you need to multiply 6 by 2, add 2, and the end result of this is 14, which is the next number. As we continue, 14 multiplied by 2 plus 2 equals 28 plus 2 and equals 30. To calculate the missing value, you need to multiply 30 by 2 and add 2, which would be equal 60 plus 2 and equals 62. So the correct answer here is choice C, 62. You know, I was recently surprised to learn that it takes 3 contractors to install a light bulb. Why? One would do the work and the other 2 will give him tips on how to do the work better. This is why I decided to give this type of problem to you to solve it on your own. But I simplified it a little bit. There are only 2 contractors here. So, 2 contractors worked on the project and earned together $1,400. First contractor worked for 3 weeks, and another contractor worked for 4 weeks. Assuming they've earned the same rate, how much did the first contractor earn? You need to calculate and select the answer out of 4 possible choices. Choice A, $200, choice B, $500, choice C, $600, and last but not least, choice D, $900. Embark on this contractor management project solo, and when you've unraveled the mystery, post your answer in comments. I will be there to share with you my feedback. Thanks for participating, and good luck solving this intriguing question. Solving this challenge reminded me of an old joke. The car said to the plane, "They say comparing our speeds is like comparing apples to oranges." And the plane's response was, "Well, at least I'm flying high while you're down there dealing with the traffic jams." With that in mind, here's the problem we need to solve. A car takes 3 hours to travel 210 miles, while a plane covers 1,260 miles in 2 hours. By how many times is the plane faster than the car? And you have 4 choices to choose from. Choice A, 6 times. Choice B, 7 times. Choice C, 8 times. And last but not least, choice D, 9 times. Joking aside, I gotta tell you, whether you're a current subscriber actively tackling challenging questions on this channel, or an occasional visitor trying to learn new skills and considering a subscription in the future, I have complete faith in your ability to overcome and solve this challenge. Just be sure to grant yourself enough time and think out of the box. Are you ready? I have full confidence that you've solved it on your own, so I'm going to continue this adventure and share with you my version of the answer. And obviously, if you have a better way to solve it, please make sure to post in comments so we can all learn. Well, if you know a little bit about origins of this joke, you know that you can't compare apples and oranges. So to find the difference in this problem, we need to calculate the speed per hour and compare the speeds of plane and the car. The car speed can be calculated as 210 divided by 3, which would be equal 70 miles per hour. The plane speed can be calculated as 1260 divided by 2, which equals 630 miles per hour. So the difference between plane and the car would be 630 divided by 70 speeds of the plane and the car, which would be equal to 9, which means plane is 9 times faster than the car. So the correct answer here is choice D, 9. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you for helping us to become one of the largest YouTube channels to help people become smarter, increase your IQ, and to pass any test. If the content of this video was helpful, please make sure to click the like button to help YouTube algorithm promote this video and help other people to find it faster. Giving us a like is also a way for you to tell us that you need more content like this, and when you tell us, we will deliver it for you in the future. For links to free and premium resources, please check the description and comments of this video. You can also go directly to our website, howtoanalyzedata.net, to download the materials related to this topic. I really appreciate your endorsement, support, and patronage of this channel. And thank you for considering to become a member and considering to subscribe. Please leave feedback, suggestions, or corrections in comments. And all the best on your journey. I'll see you in my next video.